How to invite students in Google Classroom. In this video, I'll show you how to invite students in Google Classroom. So to get started, go ahead and open Google Classroom into your device. So you can do this on your browser or your mobile tablet device, and then sign in into your Google Classroom account. And then once you're signed in, go ahead and head over into that specific class where you want to invite your students. So click on that specific class and then head over into the People tab. And then from here, click on this plus icon at the right side of the students section. And as you can see in here, you can go ahead and send over the link to your students. You can also enter their email into the section to search for their email, and then click on this invite button to invite them into your class. Now, you can also share with them your class code, which you can find under the stream section under class code. So you can go ahead and copy this class invite link, and for them to be able to join it, they just need to click on this plus icon at their home page and then click on join class. And then from here, they just need to enter the class code that you've given them. And that is how you can basically invite students in Google Classroom. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.